In the next decade, robots will establish a presence in all areas of our lives, as many other technologies and innovations have done before. I'm very excited to announce that the future of security robots has now arrived. The robots have an incredible ability to navigate on different terrains such as grass, sand, or gravel, as well as operation in high heat climates and cold weather conditions, making security patrol simple. Applying swarm intelligence and mesh networking, the robots work as a team in full autonomous mode. Security's best friend is now here. Contact us today on how to get started.